Hi, welcome to Auntie Net's Crochet. Today I want to show you this stitch, which looks a bit like the half double crochet. This is how the front, this is how one side will look like. This is how the back will look like. There's no front or back, it's just that what's your preference, whether you like it this way or this way. So it's like a half double crochet. You yarn over, you pull through. Normal half double crochet, at this point you will pull through all three, yarn over. You have three on the, I'm using 2 strands here, so happen I'm using 2 strands, but you can take it as one. So here got 3. This is the normal half double crochet. Sorry, I'm not double crochet, it's half double crochet. So this is how you do half double crochet. You yarn over, correct? You yarn over, you pull through, and then you pull through all. So can you see the difference? Here, if you pull through all, your half double crochet look like this. But with this half double crochet, it looks shorter, and all this strand face the other side. So this one, you do it this way. You yarn over, you pull through. So you have 3 on your hook. I normally would use my nail to hold it here so that it can easily go through this one and this one. If you're using 1 strand, you do not have to use your finger to pull through, because I'm using 2 strands. That's why it's a bit difficult. So again, I'll show you. You yarn over, put through, hold it down, and pull through. So how do you like this pattern? Do you prefer the half double crochet or this type? And the back for half double crochet, it's gonna look like this. So for half double crochet, the front and the back is almost the same. It's just straight lines. Whereas for this, one side looks like this, the other side look like this. To me, both sides looks nice, equally nice. You can make this into a scarf, a bag, a hat, blouse. So that's it. I just want to show you this pattern, which I like very much. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.